Hey guys, don't want to copyright, but hey guys, your girl is back. Right now hubby went to go get his hair cut. Hubby's booked for a to video a party in San Antonio. San Antonio, Saturday, and so we're getting prepared. Hubby went to go get a haircut. I did my hair, laid this lace on down, honey. Yes, so I did my hair, tied it down so everything can set. Right here, guys, I have my stuff ready to go. I have all our stuff packed, my suitcase with our clothes. Then I have my makeup case, and then I have my book bag with all my little toiletries and stuff like that, my perfume and everything else. I have to bring paper towel because you guys know that at the hotels they do not have paper towel in the rooms. I don't know why, but they should, because then when you wash your hands, you don't have anything to dry your hands. I have a container with antibacterial soap to wash our hands and stuff like that. I got my wipes, you know, I got mask, everything is ready to go. So just right now I'm just kind of just cleaning up the room, so you know I'm not leaving, going out of town with a dirty house. That's not happening. I like for everything to be in order so that when we come home we can just relax and chill. But yeah, this should be fun. This is gonna be our first time going to San Antonio. The other day we went to Dallas. So yeah, we're making our way around Texas. So you guys stay tuned. Hubby's vlogging right now, getting his haircut.
Yeah, I made it, so no.
I'm getting stuff done. Yuri's already packed and ready to go. He's going to my aunt's house for the weekend. DEVO is at dance camp, so she's good. She won't be back until Monday. I miss her so much already. And yeah, so it's just gonna be me and the hubby, my friend Cherry, well, our friend, it's my hubby's friend too, Cherry. She's gonna be riding with us. We're all gonna be riding together, so we'll vlog that. You guys will get to meet Cherry for the first time. And yeah, so we're gonna ride out to San Antonio for this all-white party. And yeah, so I'm ready to go, packed, and just doing some last minute cleaning, and then I'm gonna get ready to drop off Yuri to my aunt. And then yeah, we'll be hitting the road tomorrow, so you guys stay tuned. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog for the rest of the night, but just stay tuned. I'm not sure if I'm gonna pick the camera up, but if I don't, then I'll catch you guys in the next clip. Okay.
Yeah, take it to them, baby. It's fat like ever, neck froze like I don't know no better. Never on my grind, she made me. I got good gun, grab and buy. I got no just got a hand wash, new racks with the old nights in the shoe, but where I'm from is on. Yes, man, don't take no guns. We've been up, not up. Next. Up. I got my jacket, but my jeans, hubby walk up.
Yeah. You don't know the things that you know at San Antonio, you know. But I think the driver was American, I mean, but them give you a Jamaican time. You see me? And just reach, so I said things set. So I'm gonna look what they call it? Next side church. So I'm looking scene, and then we reach up to them something there. See me I say? Yeah.
We are still driving. We are still on our way to San Antonio. Yeah, big driver. See, big driver there. Yeah, guys, so we're still on our way. We're driving, and yeah, so playing music. Just want to keep you guys updated on what we were doing. I think we have about another hour or so, hour and a little bit to get there.
It's a real Jamaica. So I go in the food there now. And I answer nobody, you know. That me I tell you. Where food there?
Up and running, up and running, up and running.
Where you say thing set? Alright.
Fully thoughts later.
Alright. There's a party later. Where food there? Inside. Get some food there now and see what I go on. We should probably get the food. The restaurant active?
Yeah, man.
But me not see nobody, me not talk to me.
Probably can't see worse than anything. Come on. Bad people there.
I grade is enough. Yeah, I go straight to the road so make sure see that go and hype up myself. Wow, go my boss! Wow, go on. Blood, please!
A long time.
I'm there, I'm rich now. I'm rich now. So although we don't get no food to eat now, you know, because look at one baby hungry and can't get no food.
I don't like this damn place.
We got Chick-fil-A. We did it for about 30 to 35 minutes and we don't get the food. Got drive through only, so me walk back to the drive through. Them don't make the food. We sit down and next 10 to 15 minutes again. Get the food now, wrong food. So we say, alright, give up with money. So we're there, Papa does there now. So they don't mess up the order. Because I have to go sleep, brother, because I go work later and now I don't get no rest. So I want to reach at the hotel. Yeah, I mean, go get a little rest. So I'm part of one place at San Antonio over there, a couple of days. And Mama vex.
Me not like the hospitality down here. When we went to Dallas, it was totally different vibe, different whatever. But like they say, nothing good don't come easy. So hopefully we're gonna be having a good night while we're having so much issues right now. Okay, and then Chick-fil-A bright for themselves. Make we wait half hour for food, and then when they finally bring the first of all them give a food to somebody else. Then when we finally wait for our food now, it wrong. I just tell myself to take them food and give me my money, man, and come ask me if me want to keep it. Me don't want it. Why you think me even bring it back? So yeah, people. Hopefully the day and the night changes, but right now it's not a good look.
I want to change right now because I want to go bed and sleep to catch back myself for later. Where them say after 20 minutes? So I guess when we get the food I will reach at the hotel or some place and park. We come for vlog on, but the ups and downs and all kind of go around and not get through the way you want and all them something. They kind of frustrated, brother, but soon link. So Papa does now. Food come out and the food not cook. The fish. We say well done. You not done. That's a fair food still. My one well done. So I don't know how I'm going. She going back in there, so I hope she can get through with it. I'll be a fucker going up at this place in the sun. Yo, so that's not my idea. Let's see if we can find her. Okay. Our mouth long, you know. That's popping, baby.
Like, I don't understand what is going on today.
I don't know,
I can't get nothing to eat today. Like, I don't get it. I specifically said well done. I want my salmon well done. I don't like raw food. And like, I just don't get it.
Did they bring back over this one?
I have no idea. She said one moment. That's a good blood clot bread. Hey, that's a good bread.
Right in there.
Oh, it is? Well, I'm just over it. I don't know what's going on down here in San Antonio. I don't. And I'm so over it.
There you go, man. Anyway, we tune in later and see what I'm going. Eh? What's the baby?
I should have got a swamp king.
Yeah, them are people in the easy up here, man. The fish come back out same way, inside the raw. When we say well done, we don't mean burn on the outside and raw inside. We mean well done mean cook from out, go straight in. Enough for the pink in there, like slimy pink.
Exactly.
You understand me? I said slimy pink, yeah, salmon.
Eat that.
People, yeah, I mean, we don't eat, people eat them kind of food. We don't eat that.
We don't eat rare and medium rare.
Yeah, we don't eat. Yeah, every meat we eat, well done. Well done. You understand? I know that I go on. What time I know? Me if you sleep, come here tonight and watch out. Because if you have some 8 o'clock now. You understand? So, but I say you go still, you know what I mean? In our life, we are trod towards greatness. Hey baby, a whole heap of foolishness go down. Whole heap. And this is one of them, trust me.
These people don't understand when you order something, they don't give you what you order. I don't get it. Still don't have food. We still didn't eat yet. We still haven't even made it to the hotel yet. Like, that is ridiculous. Seriously.
We just well one tonight done and we're going back tomorrow. I'm Palabin at my nice clean place.
For real.
Yeah, Palabin at my nice clean place, you know. That's the thing. So we're going to link up again and tell you what we're going with the verdict.
Yeah, hopefully our day changes and
because if you come back out and it's raw, we just take with money and we just go to the hotel and just bear the hungry until we reach back to Houston.
yeah.
But not lie. I don't want to call some no name about a restaurant, but right now we come here like Houston a lead. Yeah. Houston a lead right now.
Yeah, because even where we go, down south.
Yeah.
The food never good either.
Yeah, but what place we go?
Eddie V's.
One of them rich places, what name?
Yeah, Eddie V's.
Eddie V's. Yo.
Seafood restaurant for Father's
My
Day.
belly run in
Mine
the
too.
fuck. Yeah man. Houston a lead in a Jamaican restaurant. And it a lead in a Papa Do's too. That
Yeah.
Papa Do's we there now a 2 times or 3 times the food come out and it's raw. So it a lead there. So right now Houston a place. Right now, Houston. Yeah man, I really thought. Yeah, for real. We the things the boy with the back a bush. Rascal, no sir.
Don't get me wrong though, I like Dallas. We like Dallas.
No, me like Dallas, man. Yeah, me like Dallas,
yeah,
man.
I like Dallas. I like that place though.
I like Dallas, but I like the restaurant where we go for Father.
Yeah, I like the restaurant.
Eddie V?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
But even when we get local food, we did that Dallas, it's never bad. We eat it. Remember, so we get local food.
That's what?
We did get some Wendy's and something, and it didn't go, never did.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I remember so when we got Eddie B's to them never have this and that, so we end up take one whenever we really did want. Because them never have this and that and whatever. Well, I just say it go, yeah, man. I love Eddie, one of my I just stay in the hotel and sleep, because this and a blood clot.
Anyway, later, link you know back and tell you know what I want. You know what I mean? With mama and her food. Listen me. Seafood come back, but I forgot. What the fuck this? Oh, this baby?
What happened to my food?
What's this?
It's well done.
No, but where the
Where's
fish
the
at?
rest of the food?
Whenever it's well done, the fish does shrink a little bit more. But nothing was taken out. Everything's the same.
So I paid $30-something for this? Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, cook.
Yeah, man, cook now.
It's cool.
I do apologize about that. Please come back and see us though. And we'll get her.
I'm from out of town. I'm not from here.
Where are you from?
Houston.
Houston?
This is my first time here in San
With the best Papa Do's.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a Papa Do's in Houston as well, I believe.
Yeah, there's a bunch of them there. We always go to Papa Do's. That's how I know how my food is supposed to look.
I know, I'm so
always
sorry
go
about
there.
that.
It's okay.
Have a great something.
Alright then, time for cut now. We're going to see if we can hold a sleep. All my food, you know, I'm not even eat my food till tomorrow. Yeah. Real talk. When I'm hungry, my belly full.
Here, y'all. So I'm in the hotel. We're in the room finally. And I'm here eating my food. I got some papados. They tried me with my food. Like, look at my food. It looked like a kid. Like, you know when you cut up your kid's food to eat? That's how my food look. I'm just so not happy with the customer service down here. Hopefully tonight will be a better night. Hopefully tonight will be better. But right now, I'm just not in a good mood. We were supposed to check in at 3 o'clock. We just checked in at 8. Or like 8, a little bit after 8. And it's like 8:30 right now. I'm trying to eat. I still gotta do makeup. I still gotta do my friend's hair and her makeup. And I'm just like, I'm so overwhelmed because I'm not even gonna have no time to take a nap. That was the whole point of this trip. I wanted to be able to take a nap, get up and get myself together to go out and stuff. That's not happening. So I'm here just trying to eat something. Cherry left. She went to the mall to go get something. And yeah, so I'm just eating right now, and hopefully when she gets back, we can start doing what we need to do so that we won't be late for later on. But yeah, guys, we're just gonna try to make the best of it the rest of the time that we have here, because we're already here. Might as well just make the best of it, you know. I'll get back to you guys. I'm gonna finish eating this food, and I'll get back to you guys to let you guys know what I'm doing next. But as far as that, that's it.
Baby, the whole day fucked up. Baby, bite off your fork teeth.
I went like this and it broke.
You sure that's all right?
It's over. It's in.
So baby, you me say, I go take a shower and see if I can get a sleep, because I don't know me want to reach at the spot about 1 o'clock and thing, you see me? So go and big up your damn self, see?
Big up yourself, brother.
Mama, it's alright, sister.
Yeah, guys, so yeah, that's it. Really, pretty much that's it. I'll get back to you guys once I'm done eating and let y'all know what's on and popping for us later on tonight. So y'all stay tuned.
Yeah, ready I know, you know? What she do? She a vlog? I vlog too. What's on?
I'm not sure what we're gonna do tomorrow, but
all right, you know?
you guys with us. So we're
yeah.
party. I might even
if you dress yeah, to the occasion, I'll do
of us at the party. So
I work, me I go work, you know?
Whatcha? With a mountain go.
Wow. See that? Deal with the bam bam.
You don't know. Time for us to get going. Where's my lipstick? Oh.
So as I say, I'm gonna link when me forward run at the place or the party, you know what I mean? And then you don't know.
Alright guys, so you guys can't really see that well. The lighting is horrible. These are not the shoes I'm wearing, but this is the dress I'm wearing. I got my watch, ring, jewelry, boom, you know. So yeah, this is it right here, guys. We're getting ready to head out. It's 1 o'clock in the morning and we're getting dressed, finishing up, and then we're gonna be heading out to the party. So yeah, it's my baby right there. Clean them all right. You don't know. A work time, yeah. Hey. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Yes. I'll put them on and see. Okay. Put them on now. Cause you want this today. So y'all, this is my dress, you guys. my dress. We're not gonna do the heels tonight, just gonna wear flats tonight. So yeah, that's really about it. We're just getting our last minute stuff done and prepared to go out the door. Cherry's getting dressed, and then after that we're gonna be heading out, right, boo-boo? So yeah.
Yeah, ready I know, you know. What she do? She a vlog? I vlog too.
Yeah guys, so yep, that's about it. So you guys stay tuned. If I don't see you guys for the rest of the night, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But we're gonna be leaving in the morning around 12 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock right now, so we're gonna be heading out. I'm not sure what we're gonna do tomorrow, but I'll definitely bring you guys with us. So we're gonna party. I might even include a couple clips of us at the party.
Reach where I reach, I know. Listen me.
Are you expensive in a party? What? Big up all the girls from all walk of life. Hey, launch up, you know. How we are on the water.
Yeah, man.
Collaborations coming.
Yeah.
Look out, listen to it.
RASHKAMAR and
D King Photography.
alright, you hear that?
Outside.
Alright, you don't know the thing said. We take on the world.
World,
Yeah. At
yeah.
some place and people never go to go over video.
Right now we nationwide, but you know, so we are gonna spread the wings and start fly out in some jet or some different place. Art videos, clean pictures, clean society. You see what I say? Yeah.
Alright, bye-bye. Listen up, see?
Oh, brother.
It's a episode party, RASHKAMAR. The body's not cameraman in Texas.
Alright.
Pull it.
Yo, so I guess what? Party finish now, so you don't know. We are all arrest and we are reach back at Houston. You don't know the thing set already. You know what I mean? So everything good.
But I care, you think me now come a blood clot Houston can support you. You know, come to San Antonio, but me I go and watch you.
He was booked.
Okay. Full torture. You understand? Bad thing.
Which one you come from again?
Yo, save you.
you
You
mean?
better rip the egg. Don't play with me.
Dexter that,
Dex,
Bounty Killer.
aye.
Shabba.
Talk to me nice.
Alright.
Talk to me nice.
Florida then. A movements, you know. Yeah, I mean, we know you're not shy for your camera, you know. This is the first vlog, you know. Not for the dancer.
Yeah, man, bad camera, man, you know what thing go. RASHKAMAR Entertainment, you know what Florida Boss represent, you know, not like a game, bad to bad.
Alright. I eat that, I eat that already, but I eat that now, and we are going to go back at the hotel and now we will probably want 3-4 hours of sleep and then head back to Houston.
Guys, I'm back in the room, back in the hotel. We just came back from the party. Guys, go over to RASHKAMAR Entertainment here on YouTube and scroll down until you see Chris and Friends 7th annual birthday all white affair. Guys, go check it out, watch the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Guys, the party ended up turning out to be really, really good. It was a success. It was, you know, it made up for everything that went wrong today. So yeah, I'm sorry, I'm eating some plantain chips. It made up for everything that went wrong today, and it was really, really nice. It was such a good time. Houston people came, they showed out. Dallas people came, showed out, and yeah, so I always say nothing good don't come easy. So I guess that's why we was kind of having a little bumps in the road today, but overall everything turned out to be really great and I had a really good time. I am tired as hell. My feet hurt so bad, and yeah, I just came back to the room, took a shower. Everyone showered and I'm up here eating chips because I had liquor and I kind of felt sick. So I'm using the restroom. We're probably gonna get like 2 hours sleep. Get back on the road to go home back to Houston. So I'm gonna eat my chips and I'm gonna go lay down, get some rest. We'll get a nap, and I'll hit you guys back up. Yeah, in 2 hours. Yeah. So guys, we are heading home. Packing up the car. Get ready to go. What?
Food.
The Fronzy?
Fronzy thing.
Yeah guys, so we are heading home by Hilton Garden Inn. And yeah, we might stop at the river walk and do like a tour. But he's so dang on nosy. Do the river tour. But I'm not sure yet if we're gonna do that. But stay tuned.
I can't let the camera in it.
Anyways guys, so yeah, guess we're gonna be heading home or whatever. Yeah.
Bodum 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 bodum. No, I'm not. Yeah, come on, mate. The coffee about my nose. So I have to cut. Yeah, so I don't know the things that I know we start out, I know I'm ready to go back in the Houston, but yo, Chris party go on good last night, daddy. And I lie. Mad.
This right here is first class. That is what's the bus? Get to the back of the bus.
Nah. I own the pilot and the co-pilot.
That's Facebook economy.
Your economy, did you hear?
I learned something.
You hear what the pilot said?
The pilot said?
Pilot say yeah, economy.
Basic economy.
Okay.
Not even economy.
Like them road there. Remember the one where I come from, think they be over there?
What?
Them kind of sharp turn, man. Remember the one where I come from, Dallas, man? Yeah.
One lick me further over there.
Yeah?
My brother don't come off of the highway exit and it. Girl, I want to go bed myself. You come out of somebody on two tires. So you say baby in a first class?
Yeah. You don't feel like you can't just hold on foot.
So what is?
I'll take a shot.
What's this?
I'll take a shot.
I'm gonna stretch out more too. So what you say?
I'll take a shot. The focus right on my forehead, you know. You see it?
I see it's right on your face.
Yeah.
Yeah. Still got my makeup on. Don't judge me. Okay. I'm going home to take a shower and lay down. I don't even know what we eat for dinner today. There ain't gonna be no damn cooking going on, I'll tell you that much.
Yeah.
Huh?
You know just eat.
But I like to plan. I like to think ahead because I know once I get home, I'm not gonna want to do anything. So, but as I try to plan out everything out of my head, what I go off to do today, so I can do it, so I can get it done.
Yeah, my belly full right now. I think about all lunch.
You wait till later. Alright, you wait till later. My babes, hungry no dog. No hungry no daddy. A lie? You like so no, cause you're really full. The food when you I'm not gonna say that.
I don't think about food in my belly food, man. I mean, I think about being.
You know why? Because you're not the one responsible for dinner.
Oh, I'm glad that you know that after that you're there for response. Let me relax myself.
I've been responsible the whole day on weekend. What you talking about?
When? Where?
What do you mean where?
Where is it?
I've been responsible the whole weekend. I've been trying to figure out what we gonna eat and all of that.
Go buy with food.
her through?
Cherry, don't we buy the food? And then she go buy food 3 different ways and 3 different parts and still not get through. After we buy our food, we run at the first place.
You're such a charity answer, yo. You know see that? Yeah, what nice. Look there, guys. You just love outdoors and that type of stuff, you know?
Yeah, that's skinny.
Yeah, malnourished. That's my uncle's best friend. Man, live. One man.
How long will you put it? I play some clothes from it.
Just they are all a little Sunday vibes, you know? See, selector over there, so. Wait me, black cherry sound.
A black cherry, a black cherry.
A black cherry.
Yeah, reach man now, you know. I wish where I come from, San Antonio. And then no kids at home, so me and my baby gonna chill. Yeah. Right, baby? Right, we're gonna chilly.
Yeah, me and my baby gonna chilly.
Chilly.
Right.
Yeah.
Maybe are the camera that I left in there too?
No, we're not put them in that trunk. Yeah, man, so I'm tired like